Equity markets in India ended in the green, but it was a bit of a wobbly end, particularly for the benchmark index, which dropped about 145 points from the high point of the day. It recovered some ground towards the end, and that's why we ended with gains of about 0.5% or so for the Nifty 50. The broader markets also more or less kept pace, with the Midcap 150 index gaining about 0.6%, and the small cap index, the small cap 250, gaining about 0.4%. There was quite a bit of selling in the benchmark heavyweight. So Reliance Industries, for example, and HDFC Bank saw quite a bit of selling. And there are suggestions that it was institutional selling, perhaps one or two institutions selling a basket of stocks, which is why you saw the impact on the benchmark index. You saw the Nifty Bank, in fact, end in the red after trading in the green for quite a bit of today's session. It ended with cuts of about 0.1% or thereabouts. You had IT that stood out as the top performer in trade today, building on gains from yesterday's session. The pack as a whole gained about 2.6% in trade, and overall the market breadth favored the advances. The outperformance of IT was very visible. If you look at the top gainers on the Nifty 50, the likes of Tech Mahindra, Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys making it in the top 5. You also had the likes of Hero MotoCorp and, very interestingly, Bajaj Finserv, which gained despite languishing in the red. At the start of the session, both Bajaj twins were in fact in the red because of the RBI stricture or the regulatory action that was taken against Bajaj Finance. Among the top losers, you had Axis Bank, Coal India, Adani Enterprises, Tata Consumer and ICICI Bank. A few mentions, apart from the ones that I've already done. Wockhardt has gained about 14% or thereabouts, and this is likely on account of a DGCI, or rather, it's a DGCI approval for WCK5222, which is a drug that is used to treat UTI. The realty index continues to gain traction. It was up about 0.9% and building on strength. From the broader markets, you had Sterlite Technologies, GIC and KNR Constructions that gained, and among the losers, you had Kalyan Jewellers, Wellspun India and Jyoti Labs that stood out. For now, we're still looking at 20,000 as a possibility on the Nifty 50, perhaps next week.